Hello and welcome to I Nurture videos. In this video, we will discuss about HTML and the building blocks of HTML. At the end of this video, you will be able to describe HTML as a web programming language, identify the key building blocks of a HTML page. You have all accessed internet. The content that you see on the internet are all contained within websites. So, whether it is your favorite shopping site or news site, they are all basically websites. In simple terms, a website is a collection of web pages that contain information in the form of text, hyperlinks, forms, or images. To create such web pages, you need to have the knowledge of web technologies such as Hypertext Markup Language or HTML. HTML is one of the first markup language developed for creating web pages. It is a simple programming language that uses easy to understand commands called tags. Further, you do not require any special software to write HTML code. You can use basic text editors such as Notepad and Notepad++. All HTML files should be saved with an extension .html. You can use any web browser such as Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, or Safari to view the output of an HTML file. Now, let's have a better look at a basic HTML file. Generally, an HTML file is made up of three types of building blocks: tags, elements, and attributes. Tags are the commands or keywords of HTML that instruct the browser on how to display the content. Most of the tags need to be enclosed with an opening and closed angle brackets. An opening and ending tag defines the start and end of a tag. For example, P indicates the start of the paragraph tag. To close this tag, you just need to add a backward slash to it. Note that there may be some tags that do not require a closing tag. For example, the BR tag, which indicates a line break, does not need a closing tag indication. An element in HTML represents some kind of structure or semantics and generally consists of a start tag, content, and an end tag. For example, here is a paragraph element. In this element, there is an opening tag, the content for the tag, and a closing tag. An attribute gives more information about an element. For example, here we have defined a tooltip for the paragraph element. Note that you need to define the attributes for an element within the opening tag. An attribute consists of the attribute name and its value that you assign to it. Here is a completed HTML program that shows a small piece of paragraph within the web browser. As you learn more about HTML, you will be able to create more complex pages with many elements and attributes within it. Let's have a quick recap on what we discussed. HTML is a web programming language used for creating web pages that can be viewed on a browser. An HTML page is made up of three main building blocks: tags, elements, and attributes. Thank you for watching this video.